Yo, yo, yo. Thanks for logging in. You don't know it's the Mr. Show. It's going to be about the Jamaican edition. You ever been to Jamaica before? You don't know. One thing about Jamaican men, they say we're obsessed with sex. But we're also very territorial and we're very eager to please our women. Like we tell. So stay tuned right here to Mr. Show. Got a few clips I'm going to review and we get right tonight. You don't know. Pick up on yourself every time.
All of that just cut out him soul.
Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like fuck.
Me no kissing thing. Broke your comfy, broke your broke and go your yard.
1 out of every 3 men raising a child in Jamaica might not be the biological father.
A man pay me 110,000 one time just for eat up my table.
But then when them come and start dancing with me, I smell under them and it's not a good smell.
Do you know someone that has been investing their money in a hairy bank?
I'm tired.
Passport girls are up in Jamaica. I ain't gonna lie.
You think I could have get in on my feelings?
You're wicked. We broke up.
Yo, thanks for logging in. The Mr. Show. First, we're going to start off with this very Yte-Tee, Jamaican, born. Remember, said being born in a place is it's like your nationality, right? So we have white Jamaicans, German Jamaicans, Chinese Jamaicans. So check this out. This girl, born and bred in Jamaica, you can't tell she a real yardie.
Yeah, so the Wassy Jamaican white girl of people. When I've been asked about, I said, oh, she talks so. She talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give a look at your language. I mean, the people know your features.
My language is patois. I'm tired. English, that is my first
so the people them always ask about Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand. Tell the people them so where you born and grew.
I born and grew up Portland. I'm raised here. I go to school here. Everything. I travel. Yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden, wie die Melodie, weil sie ist auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can speak. We can chicken on pato, don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah. No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away up the sand of here. I shift back between and to Annie bag.
What?
And I'll knock me off.
Wassy no people in Wassy.
Wassy Yte-Tee, yo. You know what she said? Somebody share our food for her, please, because she'll walk with the bag them and she'll shift the bag them from one hand to... She's walking with the bags and shifting the bags from one hand to the next. But her accent is tough. It's real, authentic. I love it. Let's go.
No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away up the sand of here. I shift back between and to Annie bag. And I'll knock me off.
Right.
Wassy no people in Wassy.
Right, so somebody share the food for her because she's walking from far with the bag and the bag them heavy. So till she has to heavy so much that she has to shift the bag from one hand to the next. Sound the alarm.
See.
You say she fine?
All right. Ladies, you deal with a Jamaican man? You ever deal with a real yardie? They say that the Jamaican man is full of audacity, conceit, absolute confidence to the point where it's considered to be aggression. But we as Jamaicans, it's still the best island in the whole of the Caribbean.
You see you come in my yard and we are me know you feel like get too mushy with blood clot me. Don't kiss me. Don't put your mouth on me.
Sadly, a lot of ladies are walking around with smelly fronts and they're doing nothing about it.
Me no kissing thing. Broke your comfy, broke your broke and go your yard. You go kiss up. Where you feel like. Don't put your mouth on me. Kissing. Yard. You go kiss up. Where you feel like. Don't put your mouth on me. Kissing little feelings.
They have great confidence. They could ugly like bats, but them confidence great.
Talking about Jamaican men, girl, are you crazy?
I mean, no want no feelings for you. Kissing little betrayal. I broke you, I broke. Take stab. That your comfort.
All right. Well, when we say tech stab, we don't mean like it. I mean, it means a tech. You know, be willing to take it all. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Hey, yo. Kissing little betrayal. I broke you, I broke. Take stab. That your comfort. But them wanna kiss up. Kiss up. Oh. No found a girl as some wicked girl.
All right. Another perspective from the heart of a Jamaican. 'Cause Jamaican men, yo, we ain't even playing with games, yo. We're telling us straight. We're gonna tell you straight exactly how we feel. So hear this.
Me just done have 7 rounds of good fuck till we tired. And you lie down on my chest and say, babe, me love you. You're the only one, me settle down with you. Nobody else. And then little bit from this my brethren can send me a screenshot you put up. Single as fuck, I hate single life. You're wicked. I will broke up your bum buckler. Me heart soft. Me heart fragile.
Yo,
That's some wicked girl.
The heart of Jamaican. Listen.
Me just done have 7 rounds of good fuck till we tired. And you lie down on my chest and say, babe, me love you. You're the only one, me settle down with you. Nobody else. And then little bit from this my brethren can send me a screenshot you put up. Single as fuck, I hate single life. You're wicked. I will broke up your bum buckler. Me heart soft. Me heart fragile. Me heart delicate. Now ramp with me heart them the way there. How you take me for? Fool? Knee poo? Punk? Idiot? Me people laugh off of me?
Yo.
Me I put
this man did not just a knee poo.
my chest and say, babe, me love you. You're the only one, me settle down with you. Nobody else. And then little bit from this my brethren can send me a screenshot you put up. Single as fuck, I hate single life. You're wicked. I will broke up your bum buckler. Me heart soft. Me heart fragile. Me heart delicate. Now ramp with me heart them the way there. How you take me for? Fool? Knee poo? Punk? Idiot? Me people laugh off of me? Me I put you up on your spammy status so me love you and sitting and you put up so you're single. You want a man? Hey girl, now ramp with me and you want me to you. You want me to hurt you?
He needs some milk.
I bet you go on your ways and allow me, you know.
If your girl goes on a girls trip to Montego Bay, Jamaica, and she's doing these river rafting tours, I'm gonna need you to call her up and say, we're done.
Hello?
Hello?
You can talk?
Yeah.
Because you, sir, are beyond cooked. Now, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret on what these shorties do when they go to Montego Bay, Jamaica, especially when they go on these river rafting tours.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down.
First thing is first. They gonna have your shorty, the locals of Jamaica are gonna have your shorty rubbed down in this mud that you see right here, and he gonna get every part of her body, from her feet to her legs to her yitties to her ass, every part.
Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
To me, that's 10 bodies right there. Because why you having another man rub down on you like this?
Me did only one little dealing.
Even if it's just for a vacation, this is nuts to me. I don't know. And then on top of that, these same locals be trying to take your shorty home. They be trying to take your shorty home, bro. There's been stories of shorties who go here who get bust down by these locals.
One look at argument, you gonna do them something, yeah?
And be contracting STDs, bro. Look it up. I'm not even joking. All I gotta say is bring a plastic bag. If you know, you know. Montego Bay is the new Colombia for shorties.
Meanwhile, in Colombia, that's Colombia. Any ladies ever been to those trips in Jamaica and got that rub down? Any man ever had a woman or have their current woman and then she's been to this trip in Jamaica leave a comment in the comment section.
Diaspora girls are up in Jamaica. I ain't gonna lie.
Me tell you, say, yo, you need to stop them something there.
Suppose me sleep with your best friend. They with your enemy. Have a youth for your uncle.
You see jacket?
All right, so here's the next very sensitive topic of Jamaica. It's called a jacket. And for those who don't know what a jacket is, right? It's when a woman is pregnant by another man, but she puts the child on a different person. So not the guy who she's actually pregnant for. She'll put it on like the current man she's with, or a man in her life who's got some money or status or something. And in Jamaica, who would I say you get? A full metal jacket. You got a jacket, you know? Good one for wear for the winter and stuff. But it became a cultural almost joke in the whole of diaspora. But it's actually a very serious thing. Because 1 out of every 3, I think they said, 1 out of every 3 Jamaicans are taking care of a child that they don't know is not theirs. That's crazy. It's called a jacket. Let's go. Jacket.
Is one of the wickedest thing a Jamaican womb could have ever birthed.
Tell me how you would have feel.
Stop right there, so. You need to do better.
Thing, you know, I'm type of weird. But yeah.
Need to check yourself before you start kiss your teeth. You're not ready for this yet, boy.
Enough time I go party and then girls always want to come dance with me. I mean, I have a problem. I'm like, yeah, babe, come throw back. But then when them come and start dance with me, I smell under them and it's not a good smell. And me I say, if me a smelly, but just by you dancing in front of me, you never smell yourself.
This a man pay me $110,000 one time just for eat up my body hole.
Like, babe, come on. And I love the ladies. I'm gonna want all of them to walk around with fresh pom pom. Fresh pom pom. Guys, you have to drink your water. It's so important. And you have to do your regular checkups with your doctor. Stop afraid for good doctor.
And him tip me $40,000 because the body hole is too crunchy.
Oh God. I don't remember her name, but this is that PORN chick on the blood clot thing where I take good and I show up on video and all these things, eh? So when she come talk about what she's saying is absolutely crazy. Let's just run through it quick.
And it's too good. Them the time I'm just bust on the scene.
They will help you to fix your issue.
All right, so that was a woman also, this one here in the pink, talking about women's pH balance, guy. Because some woman walk around your man and Jesus Christ. Stink like a ram skin, bro.
If your pH balance is off, it can get back on track. It's not hard. Then that's what I say. So ladies, just don't make somebody else happy smelly. Like, check yourself and get yourself fixed. Okay, I love you.
So men in Jamaica do pay those type of money. And remember, we're not gonna tell you Jamaican dollars. We're gonna tell you in US dollars. So when we do it come up to the Jamaican dollar, so that's why it sounds so much. You know, I'm type of weird, but yeah.
Yo, life God.
So pretty much men in Jamaica do pay a lot of money for the SCX. Question: if you are a lifeguard, and if you know Jamaica is very HOMO, PHOBEC, or BIC, right? Jamaica is very phobic, right? If you're a lifeguard in Jamaica, what kind of experience would you have?
Oh, go on. Let me ask you something. Did you see a man that drowned? And you pull him out of the water? You'd give him mouth to mouth?
No. If you are alone, no mouth to mouth. And why not? Then say at least you try. So if he's dead, you still can't go and kill him. So we try. We take him.
You try, but you didn't.
Yeah, I never call, bro.
But yeah.
Yo, life God. Oh, go on. Let me ask you something. Did you see a man that drowned? And you pull him out of the water? You'd give him mouth to mouth?
No. If you are alone, no mouth to mouth. And why not? Then say at least you try. So if he's dead, you still can't go and kill him. So we try. We take him.
You try, but you didn't
The everything. No, we don't have to do everything. At least we assist. But if you're dead aside, you are dead in dead.
Yo, don't make a lifeguard have to save you at Jamaica, cause at least them try, as them say.
So what you know? You give man more to more?
Nah, man. Dead is dead.
He's smart. Back in the days, there was a talk called the Hairy Fisherland, and this talk right here called the Hairy Bank. What do you think that means? What do you think the Hairy Bank is?
Hairy Bank. Hairy Bank. Do you know someone that has been investing their money in a hairy bank and they have not yet seen their returns on their investment?
You know, walk with me. Jacket is not a joke.
Okay, so this is the section about the jacket. But we'll get into that hairy bank thing later on. But this is a very serious topic, actually. Let's go.
It's not a meme. It's not a TikTok trend. It's one of the most calculated, soul-cutting, irreversible betrayal a human being can live through.
But I know that term, and I used to hear it when I was a child. We never really did a focus on it, but now me hear it yesterday. I said, backside hairy bank is right.
It's a lie wrapped in baby clothes. A betrayal delivered in breast milk. It's the moment when a man, a good man, who take care of his child for 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, hear them 3 words, and are yours, are the 5 words, you are not the father. It collapses and crush his spirit. So Jamaica, make we talk some truth. You know that Jamaica have the highest rate of paternity fraud in the entire world? You don't believe me? All right, check this out. 1 out of every 3 men raising a child in Jamaica might not be the biological father. You think that no damn... Jacket not just mash up DNA, it mash up motherhood, it mash up paternity, it mash up the picnic future, it mash up identity. Imagine being 18 and find out that the man where you call daddy your whole life is not your father. Your whole world twists, your bloodline just get erased, and your mental health just mash up. And how you think the man feel? Him can't get back all of them years there. The birthday parties, the sleepless nights, the school fee, all of that just cut out him soul. Right now, me I tell you, say, the culture heartless. Heartless, bad. We joke for hide shame and laugh for drown trauma.
Whoa, that was good. We joke to hide shame and laugh to hide trauma. How you feel about that? How do you feel about that? I think she has a valid point, and I think that how Jamaican men are made is funny still.
Right now, me I tell you, say, the culture heartless, bad. We joke for hide shame and laugh for drown trauma. We don't want to stop jacketing in Jamaica. Start tell the truth. Normalize DNA testing. Stop shaming honesty. And most of all, stop giving children to men who did not help to make them.
Thanks for logging in. Let me know if you liked it, and then subscribe.